Hey everyone, welcome to a tour of my hotel room. Today I'm staying at the Ritz Carlton Budapest, and I'm going to do a really quick tour because I need to leave. But yeah, so this is it. Right in the beginning, we have this hallway with a full-length mirror over here. To the left, you've got a bath and a shower. Makeup mirror over here. Really nice stuff. You have to excuse me because I did use it and I was trying to pack. Oh, this is mine. But yeah, so I'm going to try to show you everything, very quickly. So this is the bathroom. The product that they have here is Diptyque, which is great. I'm a fan. And you also have that here with a rainfall shower head. Oh, this is also mine. Let me take that out. But yeah, here's the product. You do have a lovely robe here. It says the Ritz Carlton Budapest. And then you have some amenities here. The hairdryer is below the sink. And let's move on. So I turned on all of the lights. You'll see that I did the best that I could. But this is a very sizable room, flat screen TV. I have a little gift from the hotel because I am here for work. And yeah, I think it's very beautiful. This is a deluxe room. They laid out some slippers and they did give me some chocolate over here, which I have not taken in. Oh, over here, this is the closet. I love the way that's built into the walls. It doesn't really stick out. Safe, another robe, laundry bag, some shelves. Oh, there's another pair of slippers down there. More closet space, ironing board, and I guess this is for your shoes. Then over here, I believe, yep, this is where they have this snacks. There is the menu over here. Oh, some wine and some wine glasses. What is this? Dark chocolate. Ooh. Here's the coffee machine. I think these are just drawers. Yep. And here's the fridge. So here's the desk area, desk lamp, and you can see all the outlets they have here. You can just hide this if you want to. There are also control panels here on both sides of the bed, and then your outlet. Nice chair, but for me, it is the view that is amazing, in my opinion. Looks like you can... Yeah, I think you can open the window, but I'm not going to. But as I look out, this is the view that I have. That's the main street down there. I don't know what church that is. I know we are close to the Danube River. I just don't know in which direction. I think it's that way, but I'm not sure. And then over here we have this Ferris wheel, which I think is really nice. That seems to be the thing, right, these days. A lot of people have Ferris wheels in their cities. New York doesn't, but maybe it will one day. Yeah, so this is my hotel room, the Ritz Carlton Budapest in Hungary.